Hello you beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Today we have a huge empties, but if you are new here, hello. Welcome. I'm Lucy Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new, please don't forget to hit subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, it really helps out my channel, and don't forget to turn that notification bell on because I'm uploading absolutely loads at the moment, but normally I do upload on Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays and Sundays, and like I said, there is normally some bonus videos in between. I have also recently launched a vlog channel called Life with Luce. I will leave it linked down below if you want to go check it out. There's one vlog that is already up. There might already be another one up by the time that you're seeing this video. Who knows? Let's just get straight into today's video. So I have a full bag full of things that I've used up, and let's go through whether I would repurchase them, whether they're worth your money. Let's just get straight into it. I do have a little different setup with my lighting today. I've just got two lights either side of me instead of my ring light on as well. So let me know if this lighting is better than my normal lighting, or whether, let me just put the ring light on so you can see the difference. And then this is it with the ring light and both my lights on. So that's the difference between the two. So the before was just my two lights and this one's all three of them. So let me know if you think that there's much of a difference. Let me just turn this one off and see which one you prefer. Let's get straight into my empties because there's some gems in here that I need to share with you. Absolute gems. So first up we have a HUGE shampoo. This is the Bed Head Colour Goddess Oil Infused Shampoo for coloured hair. I got this in either Home Bargains or B&M. So much more affordable than buying them in like the proper shops. And obviously it's the same thing, but you're saving money. This has literally changed my hair game. This and one of the Revolution new like shampoos and stuff that came out has completely changed the game, but probably more so this because I've been using this for a lot longer than the other ones. I'm gonna have to turn my ring light on because it's bothering me. So now I've put the ring light on. I don't know why, but the shadows would do my head in, so I do apologise. Let's go back to this. So yeah, I would really recommend it. It makes your hair so smooth, so silky, so shiny as well, but not like greasy. It's unbelievable, and like I said, you can get it in Home Bargains B&M for dirt cheap compared to what you would normally pay. As always, I've got some Batiste dry shampoo. Absolutely love it. We have the sweetie one and we also have the tropical one. I love it, can't be without it. It's just nothing compares to it. I've not found a dry shampoo that compares to it. I've also used up the Wilkinsons all-in-one contact lens solution, just obviously for your contact lenses. Again, really cheap and affordable, and I remember I got these reduced to like 75, 50p, and each one of them came with a little contact lens case that like went to the back of it as well, so you got like a full bottle of solution and a contact lens case, and I'm sure it was about 50p, which is just crazy. I also have the Tesco Comfort eye drops, contact lens friendly of course. Really like them. I think next time I might try a spray. I feel like I just keep alternating between the two, to be fair, because I like drops and I like the sprays as well. We have a serum. I am so proud of myself for using this. This is the Pixie Glow Tonic Serum, Exfoliate and Radiant Serum. This was amazing. Really nice. A little bit goes such a long way. And if you put a bit too much on it, went a bit like too sticky. But wow, unbelievable. I would buy that again, but only if it was on sale because it's quite pricey. I think I got that, well yeah, I will have got that in PR off Pixie. Then we have the B&By Sanctuary Spa Cloudberry and lychee, I don't know, blossom body mist. Absolutely love this. I love their fragrances, like I just love them so much. The salted caramel, I think it's like macadamia or something. Chef's kiss. But yeah, absolutely love that. That's all gone. We have a conditioner. This is the Mark Hill Extra Volume Amplifying Conditioner. I really like this. Blake didn't really like the smell of it, but I absolutely loved it. And again, I got that dirt cheap in the boot sale as well. I'm a bargain hunter. I just can't help myself. I've also used up a little mini conditioner. This is the Coco Loco conditioner from Stafford. This is a little 50ml one. That went really quick, to be honest with you. We have another body spray. This is the Bubble Tea Body Spray Summer Fruits Tea. This was kindly gifted to me. This scent is unbelievable. It's the best scent that I've came across in the whole bubble tea range, and this is the scent that I have in quite a few different things. Like I've got some bath bombs that I need to use that are this scent as well, but this smelled unbelievable. It went really quick because I loved it that much. I've got quite a few different makeup removers in here as well, so let's go through some of them. So we have the Lancome Bifacial Non-Oily Instant Cleanser for sensitive eyes. This is the one where it's like 2-in-1 colour, like where you shake it up to kind of mix it all up. I got this many moons ago in a Lancome gift set that I bought back in the day. I absolutely love this. The Nivea one is so similar. Go for the Nivea one. It'll save you an absolute fortune unless you can get this on offer and it's like a really decent price. I would go for the Nivea one. It does the exact same thing, same separation, you mix it up. If you have a really stubborn eye makeup on and you want something that you can just hold on and it'll just kind of melt it away, then you need something like this, like an oily eye makeup remover. Absolutely amazing. I would buy it again if it was on offer and it was like a decent price, but I'd rather just go for the Nivea one because I've tried it. I've used a full bottle of that up as well and I loved it. The next one, same thing again. This is like a cream. This is a makeup remover lotion from Estee Lauder. This is the Take It Away one. This was pricey. Again, I bought this, I don't know, it was back when I worked in House of Fraser, so you're talking many years ago, so I probably shouldn't still have it and I probably shouldn't have still been using it. But I was, because it's me, it's my body, I can choose that, okay? But yeah, this is the makeup remover lotion, not for me. I enjoyed it, but it's just not for me. A lotion's just not for me either. The next one was kind of similar. This is the Sanctuary Spa Cleanse Foam and Micellar Cleansing Water. It was okay. I used it obviously just for my eyes. The foaming part of it wasn't really like that much different to just using a lotion, like a water one. I'd rather just use a water one than a foaming one. I feel like it was more just because it was different that it was interesting. We have a full shower gel from Bubble Tea. This is the Pink Mojito one. Let me just smell it because I remember. Oh yeah, I like this one because it smells like, obviously all shower gels are unisex, anyone can use it, like it doesn't matter, it's just shower gel at the end of the day. But this smells, it gives me like a man's aftershave kind of scent to it, and I really like that. I really like that. I've used one primer which is broke whilst it's been in the bag. This is the Laura Mercier Foundation Primer. To be honest with you, there wasn't that much left in here. So yeah, I've completely used this up. It was really nice. It'd be really good if you've got really dehydrated skin. It feels kind of like it just sinks into the skin. Like it is really nice. But for the price of it, again, I probably would only buy it if it's on offer. I have a full top drawer full of primers, so I definitely don't need to buy that anytime soon. Oh, my other makeup cleanser, which I forgot to tell you about, this is the one that I have been using all the way through lockdown, to be fair. So for the past year, only when I've had makeup on, because I'm quite lazy with my skincare routine unless I've got makeup on. This is the Dermalogica Pre-Cleanse. It's pricey. You'll have watched my video back in the day, like this is before lockdown happened, when I went for a facial and they recommended this to me and the special cleansing gel, which I still have some left, like a lot left of. So I've kept that and I'm just using that as like my second step of my cleanser, and then just using like a different cleanser for my first step instead of this one. But it was like a deep cleansing oil to kind of melt impurities and make up from skin. I love this. It was expensive. I'm sure I paid like £50–60 for the duo. But that's like so expensive, isn't it? It made my skin, just by using it, my skin just looked different from like one use of it as well. It was, I don't know what it is with it. I don't know if it's an ingredient or what. It's unbelievable. And I would buy this over and over again for the price. And that's a lot. I hate taking my makeup off, but that just made it so easy. Something else I love, and I've already got another one of these on the go. This is the Matrix Total Results So Long Damage Break Fix Leave-In Elixir. I absolutely love this. This was, so the price it, £11. And I would highly recommend the Matrix brand. I really like their stuff. The shampoo and conditioner just kind of stopped working for me, which is why I went to the bedhead one and fell in love with that one even more. And the bedhead one is massive and you get it for cheaper than the Matrix one, which is just crazy. But this, unbelievable. Like I said, I've already got another one on the go. I've got two little minis. We have the La Roche-Posay 50+ SPF that I've used up. That was really runny. I wouldn't buy it again. I do have a big one of their SPFs on the go, but I haven't tried it yet. Oh, if I have, I can't remember what it was like, but I did not like how runny this was. I remember one day I was getting ready to go to work and I couldn't get it out of the bottle, and then when it thingy, it just went all over my top that I just put on. it wiped out, but it's just like, it's just way too running. And then last but certainly not least, we have this, which I absolutely love. I've used these up, I've had them in previous empties. This is the Clarins Instant Light Lip Comfort Oil. This one was the mint one. I've had the original, I think it was. I really want to try the honey and the sparkly one. I think they're just absolutely beautiful. These are minis. Would really recommend if you have really dry, dehydrated lips, cracked lips, this will be perfect. Go for a mini if you can get it in like a box or something, like if Latest in Beauty have it or anything like that. Try and get yourself a mini to try it, to see if you like it, because the full size is quite pricey. So yeah, I would really, honestly, would highly recommend. And again, I'm quite tight when it comes to my makeup and when it comes to spending money on skincare, should I say, sorry. And you know it's good when I'm recommending a lip balm that's pricey and a cleanser that costs a fortune as well. Well, it depends what your price bracket is, but I think it's really expensive, but it's so good. It's really worth the money. So yeah, that is everything that I've used recently. I'm so proud of myself for using up the things that I have. If you want me to do some more empties, then please let me know. I think the bag's empty. Oh no, there's one more in here, sorry. An eye cream from Benefit, the It's Potent eye cream. I literally scraped scraped it to get all the last little bits out. Again, really like it. I've always liked their eye creams, to be fair. I always thought it was really good, but I think that is officially everything out of the bag now. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you want to do more empties videos, then please let me know. Obviously, it does take a while to build up my empties. That's why I can't do them like every month, because I just don't go through things that quickly. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I love you so much. Please don't forget to go follow my vlog channel, Life with Luce. I'm so excited to see that kind of take off as well. But yeah, love you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you to my patrons for being absolutely lovely. If you want to join my Patreon, I will leave it all linked down below. And hopefully we'll see you for a brand new video, most likely tomorrow, not me. Bye guys.